Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will show you how to download Chatgpt in Android. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your browser. The first step is to open any browser you have on your Android device. Step 2. Search for Chatgpt. Once you have opened your browser, hit the search bar and search for Chatgpt and click Enter. After entering, click on the first link. Step 3. Log in or sign in. After clicking on the first link, Chatgpt will ask you to log in or sign in. If you don't have an account, sign in. If you have an account, log in. Step 4. Click on the three dots button. After logging in, click on the three dots button. Located on the top right corner, click on it. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. Step 5. Click on Add to your home screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Add to your home screen. Step 6. Add to home screen. After clicking on Add to home screen, a confirmation option will show up. From there, change the name to Chatgpt. Step 7. See the results after saving to your home screen. You will notice that Chatgpt is in your mobile home screen, and you can use it as an app on your device. You can click on the app to see the results. That's it for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for tech videos. Thanks for watching.